Alright guys, what's up? So, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be my first time trying to film with two cameras. Got my GoPro sitting here. Hopefully I can do like a time lapse with that. Otherwise, I'm going to be trying my wife's camera. She's nice enough to let me borrow it, as long as I went and got my own SD card. So I'm going to try to do some sort of cinematic photography with that as well, cinematography. See how it turns out. Otherwise, for today, just an excuse to get out into the garage. I'm going to be putting on these Tusk billet racing foot pegs. Should be a pretty simple install. No need to do a how-to if you want to do a how-to. One of my favorite sites is Rocky Mountain ATV MC, so go ahead and give them a check. Other than that, pretty excited about them. They're quite a bit longer, wider, and they shouldn't pack mud quite as bad as the stock ones. So stick around, hope you guys like it. Like I said, it's my first trying it out, but it's something I kind of want to get into, so thanks for watching.
La ciencia. La ciencia.
Hey guys, that's going to wrap up today's video. I hope you enjoyed my attempt at a little cinematic montage, and I can't wait to try these Tusk foot pegs out. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next time. Thank you.